Mr. Bean here, and today I'm going to be making my P90 magazine as requested by Anthony Theocaridis. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong, but I'm not good with names. So the reason this took a day late is because I had lots of issues with my camera and everything like that, but I've finally got it working and everything, so that's good. So right now I'm starting with the I don't know, right side of the magazine, depending on how you hold it, but it's the more confusing one, so that's why I'm starting with it. So I'm going to start with the part that holds the bullets at the top. So you need one of these 5 stud long Tekaduk pieces and a 6 stud long axle, and I've got a red one here and don't know where I got it from, but I do. So you need to put 2 of these bushings on it, and I'm going to change the lighting so I can hold it up closer. Yeah, there we go. So you need 2 of those, and you just put it on that hole right there. And now you need one of these 3 stud long pieces, and you need to put it on here like this. Just hold it around like this sort of angle. And then you need one of these pieces, the 3 stud long pins, and then you need to put it in here like this, and you put a 2 stud long pin in here like this. Now you put another one of these pieces on here, and one of these connectors. Somebody's calling, I hope somebody picks it up. Okay, so now you need to put one of these blue pins right here, and now you need a 15 stud long beam. Stupid Java update, no, I don't want to do this right now. Okay, then you put it on here like that, so it's just underneath the pin, and that's pretty much it for this part here. Just need to do some more things. Okay, I lied. This is a confusing model. I don't have very good pictures of it. Okay, yeah, sorry. It's not one of these pieces right here. Crap, my phone's gonna die. I'm gonna put my charger on. There we go. Okay. So one of these pieces does go here, but it's actually one of these 3 stud rods, and you need to attach it to the end of 2 of these pieces. And put it in here like this, because Snizer, he used modded pieces in his magazine, but I found a way to use it without, or to make one without modded pieces, so that's good. And that's why it's a little different looking than his. So now I need another one of these 3 stud pieces, a blue pin, or actually 2 blue pins, nope, never mind, and a blue pin and a black pin. You just need to put them one on each end like this, and then attach them to here like this. So now you've got something that should look like this. And now we're going to get on to the little bit more confusing parts. I need to just take a look at the bottom of the gun. Oh, never mind. So now we need to put a pin right here, and we'll just put the piece on later that we need to put on there. Actually, no, let's do it right now. It'll make it easier to help me figure this out. So we need to put this piece on here like that, and we need one of these weird pins here. Yeah, they're just, they're usually used to hold elastics on and stuff like that, but it's just sort of like to keep the bullets in line and stop them from falling out and stuff like that. So you need to put that there, and another one of these connectors, and just a blue pin right here, and put it on top. So it's just like this. There should be like half of a hole right there, and this piece should be like blocking it off, so there's only like a 2-stud space right here. Okay, so now we're just gonna finish off doing like along the top here and the side, and then we'll continue on to the bottom. So that's almost everything. No, I lied again. Need one of these pieces right here, and okay, I need to get a bigger picture. Okay. Need a 9-stud long red beam. Well, it doesn't have to be red, but a 9-stud long Technic beam. And you need to put it on here just like that. And you need these 2 pieces right here. You need a 7-stud long thin brick and a 5-stud long. So you put them together like this, and you put one pin at the very end here, and you put one of these pieces in here like this. I just did it for added strength, just one of those pieces, and then you attach them just like that, and you put them on here like this. Just like that. So now we need to put on more support. So we need one of these connectors, a black pin, and a blue pin. So you put the black pin in here, blue pin in here, and you just attach them like this. There has to be this 2-stud gap here, because there's another piece that has to attach underneath, and it needs to attach in this hole right here. So I'm pretty much done with that. Now we need to put 2 of these pins, these larger ones, into here like this. And always feel free to pause it if I'm going too fast or anything like that. So what it should look like is this when you're at this point in the model. I'll shine some light on it. And remember, this piece here is 15 studs long, the gray one. And it needs to be that size, or else you can't get all of these pieces on here. Okay. So now we need to take 2 of these 3-stud long pieces, put one underneath here, put one of these pins in here. I just need to figure out how long the piece is.